Guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Binance MXC and 3 commas update. See how we're getting on. We made the whole Bitcoin a couple of days ago, and even with alts getting hit, we managed to stay just over Bitcoin yesterday. So quite pleased about that. So we'll keep going with the updates, keep pushing on, see how we can keep going, see how we can get on with that. So yeah, if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we will go straight over to those accounts to have a quick add up. I'm absolutely exhausted today. I've done about probably more than 7 hours of driving. So yeah, my brain is a bit frazzled at the moment. So let's add these up. 1.609. Add one spot 184. So 2.793 in total. So if we take away 0.638, because that's what we added, that leaves us with, yeah, so we're at well, obviously minus 1 as well. We're at 1.155 BTC up. So yeah, pretty pleased with that. I think that's basically what we were up to before. On the first day that we got over, I think we got up to 1.15. So yeah, back at that level again. So I'm pretty pleased with that. MXC coins have been not been performing spectacularly today. You can see Edgeware was looking like it wanted to make a break up, and has subsequently been weaker yet again. And that is one of our bigger holdings. Anchor and Ocean, Anchor, Ocean and Ring are our other big holdings. So you can see ANKR is there or thereabouts. You can see he's not really moving too much. Ocean is starting to look like it wants to make a bit of a move. I think we've really got to break above this 63 level, and then the sky will be the limit. Well, sky won't, not quite the sky, but then we should start getting a move on. And XOR, it looks like they're wanting to buy this up. I keep getting fills. Not on this account, on another account. I keep on getting good fills up in like the up in the 60s. I'm sure it was in the high 60s, but yeah, up in the 60s, which is not too bad, because then if I did want to put the position on, I could get filled again in the low 50s, because it keeps ranging this. But in reality, I'm just looking to get out some of this position, because I was buying this I was buying this again after this blow off top, around the 30s, so 30s and sub 30s. So obviously this is a 2x at these levels anyway, so that is not too bad. So yeah, that was a quick Binance update. Not doing too bad, pretty pleased with that. Yeah, total amount of 2.793, and that equals a 1.155 Bitcoin up. So thanks for listening, guys, and I'll be back with the Bitcoin evening wrap for you guys pretty soon.